Welcome to Day 4 of our 30-day Masterclass series. Today, we map market imbalances to find ultra-precise entries.
When market makers aggressively push price, they leave behind unfilled orders, creating a magnet that price is forced to revisit.
These institutional footprints are called fair value gaps, or FVGs. Today, you'll learn how to locate and trade them. This gap represents an inefficiency. Markets act like rubber bands, revisiting these gaps to rebalance liquidity before expanding.
An FVG is formed across a 3-candle sequence, when the high of candle 1 does not overlap the low of candle 3.
Do not buy the initial impulse move. Wait for price to pull back into the FVG to enter with minimal stop-loss distance. Measure the 50% level of the gap, known as the consequent encroachment. This is your high-probability institutional entry zone. Not all FVGs are equal. Always filter your gaps against higher timeframe structure to avoid weak, low-probability signals.
Join us tomorrow for Day 5 on change of character versus BOS. See you in the next lesson.